Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 15th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is baseball. Goodnight, Baseball by Michael Dahl, illustrated by Christina Forche. The great big stadium is outside of town. Fans and friends come from miles around. We walk through the gates. We each take our places to get a good view of the mound and the bases. We eat popcorn and hot dogs and hold drinks on our laps, with the names of our favorite teams bright on our caps. We watch all the players who catch and who throw, and the runners who race to each base down below. Then the crack of a bat, a home run, what a hit! Look, the little ball lands in one lucky fan's mitt. The fans stand and stretch in the late 7th inning. And the game goes on, the home team close to winning. Everyone cheers, the home team won! Now the fans are all chanting, "We're number one!" Then the crowd waves goodbye. Good night, teams. You played a great game. Now sleep well in sweet dreams. Good night, diamond. Good night, grass. Good night, home plate where each runner ran past. Good night, bat. Good night, mitt that reached up high and caught a fast hit. Good night, popcorn boxes under the stands. Good night, mascot, and good night, fans. Good night, friends. Good night, cars. Good night, stadium under the stars. Good night, Daddy. Good night, moon. Good night, baseball, safe in my room. The end. We're going to do a puzzle based on the Goodnight baseball book cover. So the first thing you're going to do is take your Ziploc bag with the puzzle pieces off the paper very carefully. And if you open it up, find all the pieces. Next thing we're going to do is just put it together on the paper. And it shouldn't be too hard. We want to know where all the pieces go before we start gluing them down. From there. Top corner. And the last piece goes there. So now all we're going to do, I'm going to slide them a little bit, is glue them down and carefully put them in the spots where they connect. So we'll put glue on the back. And press it down. Then we'll do the next piece. Sorry, there's a siren outside. Don't know what's going on. And we'll press it down. And we'll do that for all the pieces until they're together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, and I have it all put together. And that's all there is to it. Just do the puzzle and glue it down.